Xander, what you doing?
It's a draw.
You're driving? Are you going to drive us home?
It's a blue.
Yeah?
And red. And just...
Hey, Xander, can you reach the gas pedal? No, I think your legs are a little too short.
Oh, red.
Yeah?
It's tattoos.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, let's see.
Oh, you see the bears. And the disco ball. Yeah.
Let's try.
That's right. See, you're doing the things you see Mommy doing and Daddy doing when we drive. Mm-hmm. That's how you shift the gears. And there's the brake. The handbrake. Yeah. Oh, that's empty. That's empty, but I got you some iced tea just for you.
Oh, I see.
You see. Do you want it?
Okay.
Okay. Here. 2 hands.
Ew.
Oh, got it. Yay. Mmm.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I'll put it back. Thank you. Oh, that's the radio. And yeah.
It's chubby.
Yeah? What do you see out there?
It's chubby.
Chubby? Oh, no, Chubby's a little further down. She went back inside. Yeah. Oh, did you hear that? That was the train. Woo woo. Ch-ch-ch-ch-ch-ch.
Oh, Dottie.
Oh, do you know what that is? Pineapple.
I'm pink.
Yeah?
I'm pink. Lion. Oh.
Oh no, let's leave the door shut.